So we good?
Should be. Make sure it's
It's on. I can see it.
okay.
Okay, that's good then.
Left or right?
Right.
To the right. Is that helmet comfortable when you ride your bike?
What?
Is the helmet comfortable?
Yeah.
Even with the camera on it?
I mean, the camera adds weight, but it doesn't change if it's comfy or not. It's just like I can tell something's on it because it's more heavy.
Wow! Dang it!
What happened? Uphill. Okay. But by the white mailbox, you gotta stop to see the horses, okay?
Alright, we can drop on the way back.
Oh.
Okay, go, full speed, come on.
Horses! Yeah.
I just got them pulled out. Got one of them pulled out.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Cool.
You know it's a barrier too.
Oh, yeah. So they probably are gonna get their shoes. Because they all need shoes. That's
Yeah.
cool. What?
Go to the metal, go fast.
I can't go fast, dude. Because my legs will start to hurt.
Do what you want. This is a test run on our bikes right now. And there's a truck coming, so just ride over on the right. You're good to keep going. You don't have to stop.
Oh, there's a helicopter over there.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. That looks like it's a big step.
Oh, we're gonna turn here.
Let's see if you can make it to the top of the hill.
I
See how it looks
guess.
at the end on the camera, okay?
Okay.
If you build up the speed, get a little bit of momentum, it'll help you get up that hill.
Okay.
Are you going, Grayson? What? Are you going to go ahead?
Yeah. Now we're right in the middle of you guys, by the way.
Well, I need to get over so I'm not.
Ariel's daughter has
Stay to the right, Lavender.
I know. My Ariel's daughter. Na, 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 na. But Ariel's daughter was
Celebrate like bananas depend on it.
You did it, see?
Nice. Now, are you gonna pull down the middle?
What?
Here, are you gonna go down the hill? Don't hit the brakes.
You ride comfortably. That's what I want, okay? But
Oh, there's a car.
okay, come over to this side so we're out of the way. And then once the car is gone, we can zoom down, okay?
Okay.
Coast is clear.
this!
I'm keeping up with you and I'm not even fit. Oh.
I just poked myself in the wrist with my nail. Yeah, I'm not doing that while I'm riding. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. You're gonna kill yourself.
Here, make sure that you're looking at good. Make sure it catches that on camera.
I don't know if it's gonna catch.
Look at him, make sure you're catching that.
Catching what?
Like, nothing about taking on that's made up. You don't actually have to do it. That's just a tip.
But I'm gonna take that tip.
Yeah, you should. It's made up of lies. It doesn't actually work.
My legs hurt.
Okay, here, you can just grip.
Okay. Look at the butterfly. Let's see. Let's go first. On your left.
Don't get in front and slow down in front of people. You'll get run over. Run off the road. Derailed.
Coming up on your left. I just want to catch me doing something awesome on the camera. Look. Oh yeah. You caught that, right? After you saw that?
What? The massive bike trick where you took your hand off one side of the handlebars?
Yeah.
And when I was on the right side of you,
Well, you saw it, right?
I don't know if I saw it. I don't know if the camera saw it. I can't see where it's recording
Now why not?
because it's on my head.
Yeah, whatever.
My legs.
I know.
I'm gonna die.
You hit that big hill, which is good for the legs. Makes it easier each time you do it.